Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily fix if you don't have private browsing mode on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So if you tap on the two rectangles on the bottom right corner, you can see there is no private page appearing on my iPhone, and there is a simple way to fix it. All you'll have to do is to tap on settings of your iPhone, and then you'll have to tap on screen time and scroll down a bit and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. After that, you'll have to tap on content restrictions and then tap on web content, and make sure that it's selected to unrestricted. And now go back and go back again, and now simply open Safari browser. And now if you'll tap on the two rectangles on the bottom right corner, you can see the private tab is appearing here, and you can use private tab as well. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit